Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sony XG300 speaker and I'm going to tell you how can easily charge your phone using your speaker. So at first you have to prepare yourself a USB type A to type C cable. It looks like this. Now let me take this decorations. We have to unwing this shield, and as you can see here we have charge output. We have to plug our USB type A cable straight into this charging output over here, as you can see now. And now we have to take our phone, for example this iPhone 16, and we have to plug this USB type C straight into our device. And as you can see, our phone is now charging. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.